If your dessert doesn't feel like a reward, you won't stick to the plan. Most diet desserts are a negotiation with disappointment. Here are 3 Ninja Creami recipes: caramel latte, biscuits and cream, and double pistachio crunch, all with at least 44 grams of protein. Each one destroys a craving without destroying your progress. That's the cheat code. Recipe 1, caramel latte. First, we'll add in Fairlife's 2% ultra-filtered milk, and we're using this milk specifically because it has 13 grams of protein per cup and half the sugar of regular milk. If you use regular milk, you're leaving protein on the table. We'll be adding 1.5 cups of the Fairlife milk. If you want less calories, use the fat-free version. Now for the coffee flavoring, we're using a half cup of coffee concentrate, not brewed coffee, concentrate. Brewed coffee is too watery and will turn icy when it freezes. Concentrate gives you that real coffee flavor without wrecking the texture. We'll add in a half cup of the coffee concentrate. Next, we'll add in protein powder. I'm using this one by Optimum Nutrition. I like this one for a few reasons. Number 1, just buying this in bulk at Costco saves you a lot of money. And 2, it tastes good. We'll be adding 1 serving or 31 grams to the pint. Next, to make the pint sweeter without adding any calories, we'll be using some of this 0-calorie sweetener. We'll add in 2 teaspoons of the sweetener. Now for the texture cheat code, we'll be using a 1/4 teaspoon of Terra gum. This binds water, prevents ice crystals, and gives you that dense, scoopable body without adding fat. Xanthan gum works too, but Terra gum has a cleaner mouthfeel. And lastly, a pinch of salt. And this isn't to make it salty. Salt suppresses bitterness and makes sweet flavors hit harder, so don't skip this step. And now I like to give a good initial stir, and now I'm going to drop in the immersion blender. And I do find the immersion blender works a lot better than a milk frother. Super easy to clean, and does a really good job of mixing all the ingredients together. Once that's done, we'll put it in the freezer for 24 hours. Next up, the biscuits and cream. 1.5 cups of ultra-filtered milk, protein powder, and now for the biscuit flavor, we're using some of this butter biscuit flavor powder. This will also add sweetness to the pint. All you need is 3 grams. And I'm not going to lie to you, this tastes incredible. It has a nice, warm butter biscuit taste, and I definitely recommend trying it out. Terra gum, some salt, give it a stir, and blend with the immersion blender, and drop in the freezer for 24 hours. Recipe 3, the Double Pistachio Crunch. We'll add in our milk, protein powder, 0-cal sweetener, and now for the pistachio flavor, we'll be using this 0-sugar pistachio pudding mix. It'll also add some additional thickness to the pint. Terra gum and some salt, stir it up and blend with the immersion blender. And we'll drop that in the freezer for 24 hours, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been 24 hours. Now it's been the first one, the caramel latte. I'll take you guys step by step through this first one. So first, we're gonna run it through some warm to hot water. Makes it so it's not too icy on the sides. Do this for about 15 to 30 seconds. All right, once that's done, I'm gonna turn it on, and we're gonna go light ice cream setting. First spin on the light ice cream setting. Let's take a look. It's pretty powdery looking right there. So what I'm gonna do here is smooth it out and make a hole in the middle. So even though it was powdery, I'm still gonna leave it like this, just kind of smooth it out like that. Because if I do a respin and then do another mix-in with our mix-in, it'll be out in the open a little bit too much and get a little bit too melty. So to keep it thick, we're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna drop in 1 teaspoon of this Dulce de Leche to add some sweetness and that caramel flavor. It's the hardest part, getting it in. We're gonna drop this right back into the creamy, and we're gonna go mix in. All right, mixing setting all done. Looking good. This entire pint has 326 calories and 44 grams of protein. Let's try out the caramel latte. The coffee concentrate's important because you really get that rich coffee taste. And the sweetness of the dulce de leche, super good. Just ran the biscuits and cream on the light ice cream setting. Take a look. This one came out looking pretty good. Go ahead and make a little hole in the middle. For the mix-in, we're using these Biscoff cream cookies, and we're just gonna use 2 of them. We're just gonna break them up, put them in the middle, drop these right back into the creamy. We're gonna go mix in. Mix in all done. Let's take a look. Looking good. All of this is 420 calories and 44 grams of protein. Let's give the biscuits and cream a try. Oh, this is so good. That flavor power really gives it really good flavor. And the crunch of the cookies, so good. This one is so good. This one's so good. Double Pistachio Crunch, just spun that on the light ice cream setting. This one came out looking good. So now for the mix-ins, we're gonna add some of these pistachios right here. And I chopped up 1 tablespoon of the pistachios to look like that. I'm gonna make a hole in the middle This is super creamy. So now I'm gonna take the chopped pistachios and I'm gonna drop them right into, whoa, crazy. All right, got most of them in. All right, got my pistachios. Crushed pistachios in the middle like that. And we're gonna drop this right back into the creamy. And we're gonna hit mix in. All done on the mixing setting. Let's take a look. Looking good. Let's take a scoop. All of this right here is 369 calories and 45 grams of protein. Let's give the pistachio a try. Full disclosure, I'm not the biggest fan of pistachios. This tastes pretty good. Got that good crunch in pistachios. Ice cream's super creamy. If you like pistachio ice cream, you'll definitely like this.